Do you want to know how you can change your email address on your Temu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your email address on your Temu account. Go ahead and open temu.com on your Chrome or Edge browser. Log into your account. And what you need to do is hover around your profile, which is on the right hand side, and go down to Account Securities. Click on Account Securities and you can see your email address over here. Go ahead and click Edit and you can see that a verification code has been sent to your email address. Go ahead and check your email address and you can see that a verification code has been sent. Now you can copy the verification code and then you can paste it over here. So write down the verification code over here. After you write down the verification code, you can see that it will automatically detect your code and now you can change your email address. The next step is to write down a new email address to which you can transfer your Temu account. So go ahead and write down your email address and then click Continue. This way, a mail will be sent to the email address which you just entered. So go ahead and check the mail which was sent to you. Go ahead and open the mail right now. After you open the mail, a verification code will be there. Copy the verification code and paste it in this box. After you paste the verification code, you can see that now your email address has been changed. I hope this video about how you can change your email address on your Temu account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.